Here is our IRA journal prompt for week number 2, and our story for today is Jamaica Tag-Along. This story might have been read to you by your reading teacher already, but you are responsible for listening to it again before you do your journal prompt today. So this QR code over here, if you scan it, it'll take you to the video of our Jamaica Tag-Along read aloud. And I'd like you to listen to the whole story before you continue. If you've listened to the story, then we're going to go ahead to our journal. Your prompt today says, think about Jamaica when Ossie tells her she can't play. How does she feel? What makes her feel that way? Now remember, we're just starting our journal, so I'm going to give you a little bit of help so you can write your sentences down here. You are going to complete the sentences. When Ossie tells Jamaica that she can't play, she feels, and I want you to write how she feels on this line, because, and then you're going to tell me why she is feeling that way on these 2 lines. Then you're going to end your first sentence right there, so put your period after you're done telling me why she feels that way. Then your second sentence says, sometimes I feel like this when, and then you're going to tell me a time when you feel like Jamaica felt. So you're going to complete that second sentence and then put your period at the end. Make sure your name is on it before you turn it in, please.